Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, fall is in the air and the weather's getting cooler, and it is time to make up some minestrone soup. And minestrone, by definition, is a hearty soup with broth and vegetables, and therefore economical, not to mention delicious. So let's make some up. So the first thing to do is add some oil to my soup pot over medium-high heat. Throw in half a small chopped onion, actually any onion will do. White, yellow, red, you know. Of course, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, a cubed up carrot, and last but not least, a couple of stalks of chopped celery. Grab up the old spoon and stir this around for a few minutes just until everything begins to tenderize. And of course, that smell of onion and garlic begin to fill the air. Next up, I'm going to throw in 4 cups of beef broth. You can use vegetable broth too, but beef broth is just a bit richer, I find. A couple of bay leaves just for good measure, and of course some flavor. And you can just go ahead and bring this to a good burl or boil. After a good boil, you want to add in 14 ounces of diced tomatoes, and you can use the hot Italian or the Italian, whatever you like, or just plain old diced tomatoes. Then about 14 ounces of red green kidney beans, and I always drain them just to get that residue off. And of course follow this up with about a cup or so of shell noodles. Now you can use macaroni noodles, whatever noodles you like. Now something I'm going to do, guys, but it's entirely up to you, I had them kicking around, is chop up some asparagus. Of course you can use green beans, whatever you like. Then we shall just grab these up and throw them into the mix. Of course, we're going to season things up with a bit of salt, maybe a teaspoon, something like that. My all-time favorite, some ground black pepper, a couple of teaspoons of that. Another teaspoon of good old basil or basil. And of course, one of my all-time favorites that I use in just about everything, a couple of teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Once again, a stirring we will go, and isn't this looking good, my friends? Oh my goodness. Of course, we're going to slip a lid on this and let it simmer away over medium-low heat for about 15 minutes or so. After 15 minutes, there it be, guys, our minestrone soup, done my way anyway, and it looks absolutely delicious, and the smell is just incredible. Of course, we're going to ladle this up and throw it into a bowl. Oh, look at that steam come off. And there you have it, our minestrone soup. So easy, so wonderful, delicious, and heartwarming. What more can I say? Just a simple, easy comfort food. You gotta try this. And you bite into this, guys. It is ever so good. I mean, I can't describe it. I mean, on a cool day, a cool autumn day, it is absolutely fulfilling. And if you do make it, leave us a comment, love to read them, and most of all, give us a like because it does help us out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you someday in our next video, which is going to be an easy, delicious penny cheeseburger casserole. You are going to love it, so stay tuned.